table position. The hands are directly beneath the shoulders and the knees are hip-width apart. The toes are pointing straight back. Take the fingertips, spreading them out, and take the mound of the index finger, pressing it down into the mat, and grab the ground with the fingers. This is going to take some of the pressure off the wrists. At the same time, also engage the upper back muscles. That will also take some of the pressure off the wrists. For cat-cow, you will not necessarily feel too much weight on the wrists, but as we move toward more difficult postures, this technique is going to help you. From here, you're going to inhale, let the belly drop down, and look up. Exhale, round the back, pulling the belly button back toward the spine, looking back toward your knees. Keeping the arms strong. Inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, round the back, tucking your tailbone beneath you. This gives a profound stretch to the neck and the back, as well as the abdomen. Inhaling, as you look up, the shoulders come down. Exhaling, rounding the back, looking back toward your knees. I'm going to do 3 more. Keeping the arms strong by grabbing the ground. Pressing back in the child's pose. This is a good counter stretch for any extension, any of the extensions that you do in yoga, and it's a nice rest posture. If you have tight ankles, and many men do actually, you can also bend the toes and rest back like this. For Cobra. Placing the big toes together if possible, and the hands underneath the shoulders. You're going to keep the tops of the feet pressed down on the mat. As you inhale, using the low back as much as possible, the elbows staying close to the body. Use the hands or the arms to press up, the rest of the way looking up. The pubic bone stays down on the mat, and then exhale, slowly lower. Inhale using the low back, and then assisting with the hands, looking up, elbows stay bent and near the sides of the body, exhale, lower. We'll go ahead and do 2 more. And then hold this one, making sure the pubic bone is against the floor. The shoulders are down away from the ears, and the elbows are in to the sides of the body. Taking a few deep breaths. And an exhalation, slowly lowering down. And then pressing back, once again, in child's pose.